Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank you all for clicking onto this here video. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of LaJoycha Creation Designs. I am coming to you all today with another It's For Y'all swap review number 7. Okay, this next swap review is from, I can't see the first name on here, but the second one, her last name is Boyd. It's C. Boyd. Yeah, C. Boyd. And it came in this beautiful bubble wrap, purple bubble wrap envelope. I have not opened it, so I'm going to take my scissors and cut this open so that we can see what goodies we have. And before I get started, I want to say thank you so much, Miss Boyd, for being a part of this It's For Y'all swap reveal, swap queen. And I also want to thank you for allowing yourself to walk in your gifts and talents, and also allowing yourself to gift one of the queens here in the group. Okay, be a blessing to one of the queens here in the group. So I'm going to take your stuff out. Oh wow, she got everything nice, neat. Okay, look at this, y'all. Okay, everyone, so we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and go through some of this stuff that she has. She has two entries, and her business cards and her packaging to send in her for her swap partner. But she also have here 2 notes. One note is, this note here is for her swap partner, and it says, enjoy this beautiful and unique one-of-a-kind bracelet made just for you, swap partner. She said, I left space at the bottom of the piece for adding more charms. That's absolutely gorgeous. Collette, okay? And then she has a card that says, thank you, Joyce. And this is beautiful. I hope y'all can see the butterfly there. She has, thank you, Joyce, and I'm going to open it. And at the top, she just have, it's for y'all. And she says, hello, Joyce. I just would like to send my sincerest thanks to you for all that you do. Your spirit and awesome words of wisdom has nothing short of a blessing to me. I appreciate you for allowing me to create a piece of art for you to show on your YouTube channel. Keep doing what you do. God bless. Peace unto you. Collette Boyd, better known as Coco. All right, so I am going to be calling you Coco from here on out, Miss Coco. So we're going to go ahead and get started now. She has her business cards, and the name of her business is handcrafted by Collette. Okay, and I'm going to make sure that I put all of her information down inside the description box. You have to make sure that you click the description box if you want to see the information that I have for these ladies, okay? So I'm going to leave everything down in there, and we're going to go ahead now and get into her entries. All right, so this is her first entry, and let's open it up to see what goodies we have. I just want to say thank you, Coco, Miss Coco, Collette, for being a blessing to one of the queens here in the group. We greatly appreciate you. And this is Mrs. Colette's first swap here with us here in the group. This is her first time doing a swap. So we thank you, Queen, so very much. And this first item is a necklace. So let me put Just want to put something under it so you all can see what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It has a nice long chain, and I like how you have everything packaged. This is really, 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 really awesome. So this is long enough that it will fit any one of the queens. Whoever it is gifted to, it will fit them. So we don't have to worry about, oh, it's too small, I can't fit it. This is perfect. The length of it is absolutely perfect, okay? Gorgeous piece right here. This definitely screams fall. I love the colors, everything about it. There's a design, thinking outside the box. I've never seen a necklace made like this before. Definitely, definitely awesome. So thank you so very much, Queen, for sharing this. I'm going to slide this back down in, and then we're going to get to the second entry. Okay. And this is her second entry, y'all. Okay. I'm going to make sure that I put it back the same way that I take it out. She had it wrapped in this really nice bubble wrap to protect it. Oh, this is gorgeous. Wow. Gorgeous. I am going to say something to you, ladies. For those of you who are watching this video, and I've said this quite a few times, and this will always be true. When you think outside of the box, it will keep you ahead of the game. And a lot of people probably get confused when I say that. But when you continue to think out, because trends come and go. But look at this beautiful piece of artwork right here. I'm going to move this. This is gorgeous. I have never seen anything made like this, ever. She was thinking outside of the box when she created this. If you think and stay thinking outside of the box, you will always be ahead of the game. I love how she made this. She has destiny on the end. And this is what she meant on the card when she said she left room for you to add more charms on there if you wanted to. But look at this. These are falsetted gems. Absolutely gorgeous. Awesome, awesome work, Coco. Beautiful. And this, like I said, is her first time doing a swap. Y'all getting some really wonderful, beautiful items from every last one of these queens that have participated. Y'all work is awesome. I can't say it enough. I know some of y'all may say you are newbies, but we all have to start somewhere. And I really don't see anybody here that's a newbie to me. I wouldn't consider you a newbie. Y'all work is just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I'm sorry, y'all, that it's not coming up like I would like it to because of how I'm recording and the time of day I'm recording. I'm recording this early in the morning and I don't really have great, wonderful light. But this is beautiful, and she has destiny down on the end. So, with that being said, I want to once again thank you, Coco, for participating. And for those of you who are new to my channel, please subscribe. I want to make sure I put all her information down in the description box. Subscribe by hitting that all bell button that is on the side. Also, please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, and share. And until the next one, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.